In this video, I will guide you how to verify your work email address on LinkedIn using your company email. This allows you to verify your LinkedIn account through your organization. First, open your LinkedIn account. In this example, I haven't verified my account yet using a company email. So a verification message appears on my profile. If this message doesn't appear for you, click on the More button, then select About this profile. You will see the option to verify your account for free. Click Verify now. LinkedIn provides two verification options, one by entering your company name and the other through identification with a valid reason. For this demonstration, we will proceed with verification through a company email address. Simply type in your company email address. Here, I do not have any company email address. So just the prompt to verify your account. Next, LinkedIn will send a one-time password OTP to that email. Once you receive the OTP, enter in the field provided and click Confirm. Your verification will be completed successfully. You can now view your profile and you will see that the workplace verification is marked as done. It is very simple and straightforward process. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.